We'll guide you through how to fix the taskbar not hiding in full screen in Windows. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So it can be super annoying if you're trying to watch something like a YouTube video and then the taskbar goes and remains visible at the bottom, as it just goes and distracts you. But there's a simple fix we can go and do. So what you need to do is go and right click on the taskbar at the bottom and click on Task Manager, like so, and this will go and open up. Now, all you need to do is go and select processes like so by clicking the menu button. Now you need to go and find Windows Explorer. If you can't go and find it, you can always go and search for it and it should appear. Select it and click on Restart Task. Now your computer will go and essentially go and reload. It may go and mess up your icons, but that's fine. Then what you want to try doing is coming back and going full screen, and hopefully now it will go and work. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to catch you in the next one.